Donald Trump will be on the primary ballot. He spoke about that decision just moments ago.
I want to start by thanking the Supreme Court for its unanimous decision today. It was a very important decision. We're very well crafted, and I think it will go a long way toward bringing our country together, which our country needs. And they worked long, they worked hard, and frankly, they worked very quickly on something that will be spoken about 100 years from now and 200 years from now. Extremely important.
Fox's Caroline Shively has more from Washington.
In a unanimous ruling, the Supreme Court has weighed in on the 2024 election and says former President Donald Trump's name can be on Colorado's presidential primary ballot. And just in time, the decision comes one day before Super Tuesday, when voters in Colorado and more than a dozen other states head to the polls.
What was being argued here would have taken the world's most successful democracy and introduced this incredibly destabilizing factor that would allow states to unilaterally remove a candidate from the ballot.
The case came to the High Court after the Colorado Supreme Court ruled in December that Trump was ineligible to run because of the role he played in the January 6th Capitol riot in 2021, even though he has never been charged. But the Supreme Court said the Colorado court had overstepped its authority and struck that ruling down.
The majority is saying that, look, you need Congress to act here before you can enforce this provision.
The Supreme Court decision applies to all states, saying in the ruling responsibility for Section 3 against federal office holders and candidates rests with Congress and not the states. The judgment of the Colorado Supreme Court therefore cannot stand. A rejection of similar efforts in a handful of other states.
I think they're all dead as Dillinger. I mean, when you read this opinion, there is no dissent. The only disagreement is whether the court should have gone even further to sort of close off future arguments or challenges.
The Supreme Court still has to decide another Trump case and determine whether he has immunity from charges he tried to overturn the 2020 election. That trial was supposed to start today, but is now on hold. In Washington, Caroline Shively, Fox News.